Prepare yourself for an epic adventure in 2024's most anticipated RPG, Eclipse of Eternity. This groundbreaking title, set in a beautifully crafted open-world environment, promises to redefine the fantasy RPG genre. Developed by the visionary team at Silverlight Studios, known for their work on critically acclaimed titles, Eclipse of Eternity combines deep, narrative-driven gameplay with innovative mechanics that will keep you hooked from start to finish. At the heart of the game is a rich storyline where you, as the chosen hero, must navigate a world torn between light and shadow. The game offers a unique combat system, blending real-time action with strategic planning, allowing for fluid, dynamic battles. Players will need to master both magic and melee as they encounter a host of mythical creatures and formidable enemies. What sets Eclipse of Eternity apart is its deep character customization and branching storylines, where your choices have real consequences, leading to multiple endings. With a soundtrack composed by industry veterans and stunning visuals powered by the latest graphics technology, this game is set to be a standout release. Mark your calendars. Eclipse of Eternity is a journey you won't want to miss. If you found this list helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and strategies for new games. Your support helps me bring you more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in.